They say we're on holiday, never seems to end, but they don't see the black tank full, no room to even bend. A few outfits on rotation, the same old threads we wear. Campsites too cramped, with trees everywhere. But it's a life of wonder, with a view that's ever new. Country songs on the radio, saying just for you. Visiting family, friends, whether near or far. Learning history, tasting food under every star. No reservations to be found, sometimes we're out of luck. Walmart's a wild goose chase, our RV stuck in mud. Laundry's a guessing game, coins, tokens, or an app. Seasonal neighbors glare, caught in their own trap. Mail piling up at home, a sign we're on our way. To those we love, it's clear we're just a stop away. They know we're coming when the parcels start to stack. It's part of this life's charm, no looking back. Yet it's still so grand, this nomadic dream. New sights, new sounds, on to no looking back. Yet it's still so grand, this nomadic dream. New sights, new sounds, a constant stream. No matter where we park, or the sights we've seen, we're always at home, in our bed so clean. So here's to the RV life, it's our chosen song. Through every up and down, it's where we belong. For every little challenge, there's beauty to be found in our home on wheels, where love is all.